Fluid AH-6 square base, turn to 117 departure, office on the southeast, on runway 35, clear to 190. 684, thanks. At 140 heading, out just fine, contact departure, good day. Thank you, Jet. I have one inbound, then I'll have you out.
Okay, I'm getting 3684 out of Malibu for 5.
3684, you didn't book the switch. And before you go, 3315 code, Allegheny 3634, 3315 code, contact departure.
The ground United 95 approaches spot 9 with Yankee.
711, a mile outside Ridge.
11, right down with 2 right for land with 230 at 190.
Get you right.
Team, contact departure to that. Dash 755, turn right. Foxtrot, you got it there, ground sign.
Foxtrot 190.
United 1561 is wheeled inbound on the 2711 approach.
Departure with the city 5463, 3000, 250 sign.
And 1561.
Dash 751, left turn, fast to the right down point.
Clear across point out with cancer 751.
Equivalent wind check.
At 854 heavy, 27 left, clear to land.